Hi Martin, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so you sent me your CD part for the 3200 Beosound 3200. So basically what I've done is I've just taken your laser out, put a new laser in there, given it a clean for you, just check the cogs. You know, obviously these parts are little to no use anyway. So yeah, I've done that for you. Put that one in there, I'll fire that up and you can listen to this. You have to excuse the quality of the sound. It's not your part, it's just the thing that I'm using it through. So I think my board's actually a bit funny, and I'm using it for a set of headphones. So it's the same board as what you've got. You know, this board here. I'm using it's the TDA decoding board, which is exactly the same on your 3200 in every single way. So yeah, so you can obviously hear that running as it should be there. So yeah, that's all good for you, Martin. You know, you got a year's warranty with that one, buddy. You know, any problems, you know, just give us a shout, and I'll get that sorted for you. But you know, you shouldn't get any issues anyway. It should just continue to work for, you know, whenever you want it to work, basically. So yeah, thanks again, buddy. Look after yourself, and you know, have a great time.